Hey guys, I hope this video gets you excited about creating a set of press-on nails. This is super easy and simple. The gel polish is Pumpkin Chai Latte from iGel Beauty. The nail tips are Unagella from Amazon. You can use any nail tip you like. I love flat nail tips and have used them before. They're good, but I wish these brands on Amazon had the option to purchase individual nail sizes like a Prey. The gel polish I'm using changes color. I love iGel Beauty because they're pigmented and under $5 for a 15 ml bottle. Most polishes on Amazon are between 7 to 10 ml. They also have discounts on acrylic if you're looking for something affordable. I don't buff the nail tips. I feel it doesn't do anything and my nails still look good after a month. I try my best to avoid getting lash glue all over them, but I can't. If you see me re-wearing a set and there are black dots or smudges, it's because of the lash glue. I only paint 2 coats of color, then cure. Then I add the Gel X adhesive. It gives the nails enough strength, but is not as strong as Builder in a Bottle. The Builder in a Bottle on the nail tip is very sturdy. You can try bending the nails and it won't bend, but it's heavier. You probably won't notice the weight until you take it off. I don't have clear Builder in a Bottle, so I'm using what I have. The Gel X adhesive on the nail tip is lighter in weight. I'm not sure how many coats you can apply before the nails look bulky. I currently have on long stiletto nails. I'm going to include a picture of what that looks like. So with this set, I have on 2 coats of the Gel X adhesive. After you cure that, then I apply the no white top coat, also from iGel Beauty. I typically leave that under the lamp for 2.5 to 3 minutes. You don't have to follow the same steps I did, but this is what I do. To take off any press-on nails, soak them in warm water, oil, and dish soap. This mix won't ruin the nails, so you can reuse them. You can leave the nail tips in this mix if you have buildup of glue to loosen it up. Then use the e-file with the mandrel nail bit to take off the remaining glue. It sounds like a lot of steps to reuse a press-on set, but once you get the hang of it, the entire process is less than 30 minutes. I forgot to mention you must have a lift somewhere for the oil and soap to get under the press-on nails to loosen up the glue to pop off the set. If there is no lift, soaking your nails won't do anything unless you decide to soak with acetone, but then the nails won't be reusable. That's it. It's quick and easy. Lately, if I'm wearing a solid color but I want to somehow amp up the look, I pierce the nail, then add hoops. Now that the set is complete, I took cardstock, cut it up, and add some double-sided tape to it and put the nails on it. That's how I organize my sets. I hope this video helped you. If it did, definitely give it a like and share it.